In this video, you will learn how to change system language on Mac. So if you want to change Mac language system-wide, this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from TechReview, and without any further delay, let's learn how to change system language on Mac. So in order to change system language on Mac, you simply need to go to System Settings. And to go to System Settings, you may simply click on this settings icon in the dock menu, or you may also go to System Settings by clicking on this Apple logo in the top left corner. So where you see Apple icon, click on that, and after that you get these options. From these options, select System Settings. So click on that and this will open System Settings for you. So now we are in the System Settings, but in order to change system language on Mac, we simply need to go to General, and for that simply click on General, and this will take you to General Settings on Mac. And now from these various options, we need to select Language and Region. So when you see that, click on that and this will open Language and Region Settings on Mac. Now here you see there is one preferred language set, that is English for me. Now in order to change your system language on Mac, first you'll have to add your preferred language here. So in order to add one, simply click on this plus icon, and after that you'll get the option to select a preferred language to add. Here in my case, I'll add Hindi, but you may scroll through these and select the one depending upon your preference. Simply scroll down and choose the one that you like. Here in my case, I'll choose this one, so I'll simply select it and then I'll need to click on add. So click on add and this will open a prompt asking you whether you would like to use this language as your primary language or not. So choose one of these two options depending upon your preference. Here I would like to use English, which is my existing one. So I'll click on that, and when I click on that, I'll get a pop-up asking which keyboard input I would like to add. So I'll select one of these options. You may select depending upon your preference. Here I am going with this one. So after selecting that, I'll click on add and this will be added. Now you can see there are two languages added here. There is one English and another is Hindi. And by the way, out of these two languages that you see here, the one that is on the top is the one that is the default system language on this Mac right now. So English is currently the default system language on this Mac, and if we want to change that to Hindi, we will simply need to click on Hindi and then drag it over English to the top. So we just took Hindi to the top, and once it reaches the top, you can see it will become the default system language on this Mac. But before the changes happen and the changes that you made comes into effect, you will have to restart your computer. So either you may click to restart now, or you may ignore this right now and click on don't restart, and I'm going to do just that. So I won't restart right now and click on this don't restart. After that, I'll go back and close this. So when I close this, you will see the changes will take place slowly, not everywhere but slowly. You can see these are still in English right now, and if I click on this Apple icon in the top left, here also I see everything is in English. So changes that we have made right now hasn't come into effect. Further, I'll need to click on this and let's see if this changes. And as you can see, the language on Mac has changed now. Some of these options are in another language, Hindi, and some are still in English. That is because we haven't restarted our system. So if we restart this Mac, the system-wide language on this Mac will change completely. So that is how you change system-wide language on Mac. And by the way, if you want to switch back to English again, you'll have to click on this, and then from these options you may simply remove this or select the English one, and after selecting, drag it over to the top so that this will become the default language on this Mac. After that, you may either restart it or choose to don't restart now, and your Mac system language will go back to normal. So that is how you may change your system language on Mac. And by the way, if you want to learn how to type degree symbol on Mac, make sure you tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.